Hey there, this is the solutions homework. This is the week of April 27th, and this is the very first lesson for our solutions homework. So I'm going to do just what I have been doing, the odd number problems only. The term concentration is most similar to, okay, well, insoluble means something can't dissolve. Supersaturated means there's too much dissolved. Concentration and pressure are not the same thing, so it's going to be molarity, D. Concentration is similar to molarity. Number 3, okay, you have 2 liters of a solution with a molarity of 1 molar. If you evaporate half of the water, what happens to the concentration? Well, if you think about lemonade, if you have just the perfect lemonade and you evaporate half the water off, well, that's going to make it really strong and sour, right? So if I have 2 liters and half of the water goes away, I still have the same amount of lemon. So the concentration is going to be higher. It's going to be yucky. It's going to be sour if it's lemonade. 2 liters, molarity is 1 molar. If you evaporate half the water, the concentration will double. All right, number 5. This seems like a short one here. I hope you did the PhET lab. It's really kind of an interesting lab and it helps you to understand. If you have 0.5 liters of a solution with a concentration of 1 molar, and you add water to double the volume of the solution, what happens to the concentration? All right, well, go back to the lemonade example. If I have half a liter of lemonade and if I add lots more water, if I double the amount of water, it's not going to be as sour anymore. That means the concentration is going to be cut in half. A. Okay, hope that helped. Go on and do lesson number 2, and don't forget to do the PhET lab that goes with this.